Hey y'all, just realized something really important, right? I was talking about file and downloading it as pictures. If you do that, people will not be able to click on your links. So if, over here, you're giving links for people to donate or links for people to, click on videos, things like that. You have to download it as a PDF, right? So what you would want to do is download each individual slide as a PDF. So if you're like, download, PDF, you would want it to just download that one slide. So click on it, let's see here, if it downloaded just that one slide. Nope, it did the whole thing. Okay. So then what I would want to do, right, is looking at this. I would probably be able to screenshot this, right? See next to image for more info, there's no links there. But in order to upload this one, right, I would want to make sure that in order for people to click on my links, I upload the PDF. Okay, that was it. Or I would want to say something like in Instagram, right, I could just be like, links in the description below, right? Same thing with like a YouTube video, anything like that. If there's a different place that I could post those links, make sure I'm posting them there. All right.